AM offers a wide range of vinyl cutters, starting with our V Smart Plus, V Smart, V Auto and our V Series. And they all come within a range of 700 millimeters all the way up to 1.8 meters. Let's have a look at them. This is our V Series vinyl cutter. This cutter comes with our SD card slot, COM port and printer cable connection. These connections allow you to connect with a SD card, which if you don't have your computer near you, helps you on the fly. It comes with a COM port for all your older computers and a printer cable for the newer computers. Our V Series also comes with a very easy access panel, which allows you to select which job you have via the SD card, allows you to pause during your jobs, to either reset it or do a test cut and change your force and speed on the fly. Our V Series also comes with our manual contour cutting carriage. Our V Series also comes with a really nice easy ruler to see to measure out your vinyl when you're cutting. It also comes with our adjustable pinch rollers to make sure that you can adjust them to a location that suits you best for your vinyl. Our V Series also comes with our vinyl roll holder at the back for your convenience. And that's it for our V Series, but we also have our V Series Plus, which has the exact same specifications as this, except for we now have a 1 kilogram cutting pressure instead of 500 grams on our V Series. This is our V Smart vinyl cutter. This V Smart comes with the available connections. We have our COM port, our USB printer cable, and our USB. These connections allow you to connect via the old COM port for an older computer, a USB printer cable for a new computer, and a USB memory stick if your computer is nowhere near you. This V Smart comes with a really easy access panel, which allows you to select which job you're doing via the USB. It allows you to reset, pause while you're cutting, you can do a test, and change your speed and force on the fly. This cutter comes with a 500 gram cutting pressure and also allows you to do manual contour cutting. Our V Smart also comes with a very nice ease of use ruler, as well as it comes with our adjustable pinch rollers so that we can adjust it for our width of our vinyl. The V Smart also comes with 2 holders, as well as it's adjustable to the size of the roll as needed. This is our V Smart Plus vinyl cutter. The only difference between this V Smart Plus and the V Smart is the fact that we now have an automatic contour cutting carriage. On the V Smart Plus, all the features on this vinyl cutter are exactly the same as our V Smart, except for our automatic registration marks. This is our V Auto vinyl cutter. This V Auto comes with available connections such as our COM port, USB printer cable, and our USB, as well as our wireless connection. These connections allow you to connect via an old computer with our COM port, our USB printer cable for our new computers, as well as our USB memory card if your computer is nowhere near. And our last option, which is our wireless connection, which allows you to connect via a laptop or computer from a distance. Our V Auto comes with a very easy access control panel, which allows you to choose your job via the USB printer cable, via a laptop. Allows you to pause, reset, test your vinyl, as well as change your force and speed on the fly. Our V Auto comes with an automatic contour cutting laser, allows you to adjust your sensitivity for different types of vinyl, and it comes with our new improved servo motors. Our V Auto comes with a nice ruler for ease of use, so you can see your width of your vinyl, and as well as our adjustable pinch rollers, which allows you to move them along so you can accommodate your size of vinyl. Our V Auto also comes with our adjustable roll holder to suit all sizes of vinyl needed. And that's it for our vinyl cutters from AM. And I'd like you to know that we have a range of spares for all our vinyl cutters. That being said, if you would like to at any stage upgrade your V Series to your V Series Plus and get a 1 kilogram pressure cutting, I would recommend our technicians do it for you. And if you have any information that you'd like to know, call our sales team at 060 600 6000.
At am.co.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Hlobosile Kumalo, a level 6 local guide who has 64 reviews all over the country, says, "The tech support team is on point. I had an issue with my machine, I called them and they said I must bring it in. The person who helped me checked everything and made sure everything was 100%. Kind staff members helped me load my machine in and out of my car." This was just one of the many appreciative reviews we have received. These tags mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for your support. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. Level 7 reviewer Dash Somolu, who has 119 reviews on Google, says, "Great company, great products and very well priced items. The training we received from Messias Chunga was top-notch. He was very knowledgeable and knows his stuff." Another satisfied customer amongst many. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. am.co.za. Achievement matters.